me teach you how to blur your background. If your background is not beautiful, like after making a video and you discover that your background is not beautiful, or there is something in that background that you don't want people to see, instead of you to go and make another video entirely, it is better you blur that background. You just add blur effect to it so that people will not be able to see those things in your background that you don't want them to see. So join me in this video. Let me show you how you can add blur effect to your background. So first of all, get your CapCut and import the video. This is the video that I want to use and I've already imported it. Okay, so I want to change it to 1080 because it was 480 before, so I just change it to 1080. All right, so what you do is you duplicate your video. You duplicate it. Okay, after duplicating it, then you click on, okay, you can see that I duplicated my own. That's the first one. Yeah, and the other one beside it is the second one. Okay, so you duplicate your video. That's the first thing. Secondly, then go to you then click on the second video and look for overlay. When you click on the second video, you look for overlay. Yeah, you can see it. You click on overlay so that it will come down. All right, so that the second one will come down. Then you will start working on the first one. You go back, you follow the arrow and go back. You go back, then go to your effect. Just follow the arrow, you go to your effect, click on video effect. So you wait for it to load. You look for blur. In order not to waste your time, you just type blur and it will bring it. So there are so many blur effects here. You just have to choose the one that you want. You can see me exploring it, checking the one that I will choose. Okay, you just have to choose the one that you want. So this is the one that I will choose. So you select the one you want and then drag it to match with your first video. Stop at where your first video stopped. Okay, so you go back so that you can select your first, the second video, that one you duplicated. You go back so that you can select it. Here is it. So you hold and drag it. You drag it back to your first video to match with it. Then you click on that, you select that second video, that one that is on that, you select it and look for remove background. So you click on remove background, auto remover. Okay, you can see that my own is pro. I can't save this video even after using it. I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video, but if your own is not on pro, you can use it and save the video afterwards. Okay, I can't save my own. I'm just doing it for this video because it is a pro, except I subscribe to all these CapCut features. So once you are done, you can see that the blur effect has come out. Okay, but still I can't save it. If your own is not on pro, you can save it, but if it is on pro, you can use InShot to try it. It's still the same thing, and you can save your own from InShot. All right, thank you guys for watching.